Peace, everyone. I'm Tanisha, the host of Self-Love Sanctuary, where I empower women to rise above burnout with self-love and play. If you are into self-discovery, self-love, wellness, having fun, and mental health, then this is the podcast for you. Welcome. Welcome back, goddesses, to the Self-Love Sanctuary. I'm your host, Tanisha, and I empower women to rise above burnout with self-love and play. Today, we're diving into the topic of burnout, a phenomenon that affects countless modern women, yet often goes unrecognized until it's too late. In our fast-paced world, many of us juggle multiple roles and responsibilities, leaving little time for self-care and nourishment. If this sounds like you, Queen, I'm here for you. We always pour from an empty cup, pushing ourselves to the limit until exhaustion sets in and burnout takes hold. So burnout isn't just a feeling of being tired or stressed. It's a state of emotional, physical, and mental depletion that can have serious consequences on our health and well-being. Ladies, when we neglect our needs and ignore the warning signs of burnout, we risk compromising our immune system, experiencing chronic fatigue, and even developing anxiety or depression. If you've heard my previous podcast, you heard me describe how I experienced burnout and depression going through a lot of stress. But here's the good news. Burnout is not inevitable, and there are steps we can take to prevent it or recover from it. One powerful antidote to burnout is play, a concept often dismissed as frivolous or unproductive in our productivity-driven society. Yet play is essential for our overall health and happiness. It allows us to release stress, tap into our creativity, and connect with others in a meaningful way. I like to say that it's getting back to inner you, the little girl who loved to go outside. Maybe she loved to ride bikes, play games with her friends, draw, paint, look at the clouds. Those things are important. Getting out in nature, play, have fun. Life is meant to be an adventure, ladies. It's not meant to just be a part of this day-to-day mundane life. So how can we incorporate more play into our lives to prevent burnout or stop it in its tracks? I have 2 tips for you to get started. Tip number 1, schedule play breaks. Set aside dedicated time each day for activities that bring you joy and laughter. Whether it's dancing to your favorite song, taking a nature walk, playing with your pet, prioritize moments of playfulness to recharge your spirit and replenish your energy. Tip number 2, embrace your inner child. Reconnect with the activities, like I mentioned before, that brought you joy as a child. It could literally be building sandcastles. Tap into your inner child allows you to experience the world with a sense of wonder and curiosity, fostering resilience in the face of stress and adversity. Ladies, it does not have to be that hard with tapping back into who you always were. It's about remembering what you love to do, what makes you smile, what brings you joy, what brings you peace. So I want you to just think about these things, and I want you to write down what are going to be those 2 things that you're going to do. I want you to remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's a necessary act of love and compassion for yourself. By prioritizing play and nurturing your inner child, you can prevent burnout and reclaim your joy. Join me next time as we explore more strategies for cultivating self-love and embracing a life filled with purpose and play. Until then, stay well and keep reclaiming your joy.